How to install. Remove the main unit and all accessories. Install the left side bracket of the instrument. Install the right side bracket of the instrument. Install the U-handle cable. Pinch and pull back with your thumb and forefinger. Align the connector and insert it. Then let go. Connect the A handle and L handle in the same way. Install the emergency stop handle. Install the negative plate connection cable. Remove the protective film from the end of the patch cable and attach it to the transparent terminal slot. Open the connector's clip and then insert the pasted transparent wiring card into the slot of the handle connector. Press the clip to secure it. Remove the protective film from the end of the patch cable and attach it to the transparent connector slot. Open the connector clip and insert the transparent connector card into the slot of the handle connector. Negative rod installation, reusable. Negative patch installation, disposable latex, either with negative plate